What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button. But in today's video, we have basically, I guess you could call it a tutorial on how to draw eyes. It's really just me showing you guys how I draw eyes in my style, but I'll also be explaining what I do as well. So please stay tuned to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. So here I'm just really doing some guidelines. You don't necessarily have to do this, but I'd like to start my eyes with basically 3 lines, which will be the top part of our eyelid. And from here on out, I know where to put my iris and where to basically create the bottom part of the eye as well. Then for the upper lid and for the bottom lid, I basically just recreate that same line I just drew, but like on top of the upper lid and on the bottom of the lower lid, just to create that effect. Then I like to create the light reflection and like this little bubble and create the pupil, and then shade the top part of the iris darker than the lower part. I also go in and darken where the eyelashes would be and just throw in like some eyelashes there. In this eye drawing right here, I didn't really go too crazy with the eyelashes, but I do think it's important to darken it so that you know that that's where your eyelashes are. Now I'm basically just drawing an eyebrow, and the way I draw my eyebrows is I basically just draw the outline of the eyebrow and then shade it in. And some parts of the eyebrow, like the back part towards the towards like your hairline, will be darker than the front part. So I just add that shading in, and I add extra shading around the eye, and that's basically how I draw my eyes. So right here, I'm drawing how eyes would look like on a face. And a big tip for this one is draw the eyes at the same time instead of just one and then trying to recreate that same eye. I guarantee if you do it like that, it's not going to be that symmetrical. I just find it easier to draw the eyes at the same time, and it kind of helps it come out a little bit more symmetrical than the first way. if you guys made it to the end of the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys learned something from this video. If so, let me know down below. But as always, you guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.